A vast country, the largest in the world, stretches across 11 time zones where you can experience a biting minus 71 degrees Celsius in Siberia in the morning and bask in the warm sun at 35 degrees Celsius by the Black Sea in the afternoon. Russia boasts the highest rate of twins, and amusingly, cats are employed in museums. The women here are renowned for their beauty, often considered among the most beautiful in the world. Beneath the surface, a massive underground system lies hidden. This country, teeming with mystery and wonder, is waiting for you to explore it. All of this will be showcased in our travel documentary. Start your journey to discover life in Russia right away. Russia is so expansive that you can fly for 8 continuous hours and still find yourself within its borders. Covering an area of 17.1 million square kilometers, Russia makes up 1/9 of the Earth's total land area. Larger than the combined sizes of the US and Canada, and even more extensive than Pluto, which is 16.6 million square kilometers. However, most of this country is cloaked in frost, with 77% of its territory being frigid land. Russia spans 11 time zones and shares its borders with 16 countries, more than any other nation on the planet. Only in Russia can one traverse from Europe to Asia without ever leaving its territory, a privilege that's rare anywhere else. In Russia, there is a secret city called Ozyorsk, one of the most famous closed cities ever built during the Cold War era. This city was established to serve the Soviet Union's nuclear weapons research and production program. For decades, Ozyorsk did not appear on any public maps, and its residents were strictly prohibited from interacting with the outside world. Those living in the city had to sign confidentiality agreements and comply with strict control regulations. To compensate, the government provided them with a higher than average standard of living, including beautiful housing, abundant food supplies, and prioritized social services. However, the price they paid was near total isolation. Even today, access to Ozyorsk is heavily restricted, and visitors can hardly enter without special permission. The city is regarded as the birthplace of the Soviet Union's first plutonium production project. Notably, the area around Ozyorsk experienced the Kyshtym nuclear disaster in 1957, one of the worst nuclear accidents in history. The story of Ozyorsk stands as a haunting testament to a mysterious and tense chapter during the era of superpower confrontation. You can explore the vast taiga forests, traverse the desert in Astrakhan, scale the magnificent Caucasus Mountains, or stand by Lake Baikal, which is the deepest freshwater lake in the world, holding 20% of the Earth's unfrozen freshwater. If that's not remarkable enough, keep in mind that Russia has more active volcanoes than any other nation, particularly on the Kamchatka Peninsula, where you can witness lava flowing alongside eternal snow. Additionally, Russia features some of the most extreme climates globally. The city of Oymyakon is renowned as the coldest inhabited place, with temperatures plummeting to minus 71.2 degrees Celsius, which is even colder than Mars in winter. In contrast, summer in Sochi, the popular coastal city, can reach up to 35 degrees Celsius, making it a resort haven for the Russian elite. The Russian flag comprises 3 colors, white, blue, and red, which are symbols of patriotism and strength. The official name of the country is the Russian Federation, with Moscow as its capital. Russia is home to over 146 million people, encompassing more than 190 different ethnic groups and nationalities, contributing to its rich and diverse culture. While Russian serves as the official language, over 100 minority languages are spoken across the country, making Russia one of the most multilingual nations in the world. It even boasts one of the least spoken languages globally, Tarsami, which currently has only 2 speakers left on the Kola Peninsula. In the remote areas of Russia, there exists a tribe with a traditional practice where the wife is expected to welcome guests for her family, which has taken the world by surprise. If you're interested in learning more about this custom, do leave a comment with the number 2. Economically speaking, Russia is endowed with some of the richest natural resources on the planet, ranging from oil and gas to gold and diamonds. As one of the largest energy exporters globally, Russia holds a significant position in the world economy. If you're driving in the US or Europe, there's a fair possibility that the petrol in your vehicle originates from Russian oil fields. Russia is a land of wonders where history, culture, and nature merge to form a mysterious yet utterly fascinating nation. One peculiar observation when you arrive in Russia is that Russians don't usually smile at strangers. This can make many tourists feel somewhat intimidated or awkward during their initial encounters here. However, do not be quick to judge, as once you engage in conversation with them, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the sincerity, hospitality, and warmth they extend. An interesting detail is that in Russia, a smile is not merely a polite gesture. It has to stem from genuine feeling. Russians don't smile just for the sake of it, but when they do, it signifies true respect and goodwill. Upon arriving at the airport or hotel, you're likely to be greeted with bright smiles from the staff. But as soon as you step onto the streets, you might come across serious-looking expressions. Don't let that mislead you. If you ask for directions, even if your Russian is only basic, they will listen patiently to you. They will try their best to understand and guide you. If you're invited to a Russian home, you might be amazed by the variety of delicious food, as traditionally, a well-set table signifies true hospitality. If you get the opportunity to visit Russian homes, don't be surprised to see thick, beautifully patterned carpets neatly hung on the walls of the living room or bedroom. These carpets aren't merely for decoration. This custom goes back to a time when many apartments were constructed with thin walls, allowing noise from neighbors to easily filter through. To soundproof their homes, Russians devised a simple yet effective solution. They hung carpets on the walls. This not only helps retain warmth during the harsh winters, but also significantly reduces noise. Even today, although building technology has improved, wall carpets are still popular and have become a nostalgic symbol of comfort and tradition in Russian households. If there's one thing that makes Russia famous globally, it's the legendary beauty of Russian women. French writer Alexander Lutz once said, "The beauty of Russian women is the priceless treasure of the country." Indeed, many tourists are often captivated by girls with shimmering blonde hair, deep blue eyes like Lake Baikal, and an elegance that rivals the goddesses in European paintings. Interestingly, despite the admiration they receive globally, 95% of Russian women tend to underestimate their own beauty. This may come as a surprise, but it reflects the humility and extremely high beauty standards prevalent in the country. From a young age, Russian girls are taught that being a woman means being not only beautiful, but also intelligent, independent, and strong. Consequently, they focus not just on their appearance, but also on education, careers, and interpersonal skills. You might find it a bit amusing or surprising that there is a notable imbalance in gender demographics. This has resulted in Russia being on the list of countries where there are more females than males. Currently, for every 1,000 men, there are approximately 1,183 women, leading to a total of 11 million more females than males. This is a rather unfortunate reality for the beautiful women here, as it makes finding a suitable husband quite challenging. As a result, many Russian women are increasingly looking for partners abroad, particularly educated and stable men who place a high value on family. If you can converse in English or Russian, your chances are even better. If you would like to know how to connect with Russian girls through dating apps or online social platforms, do leave a comment with the number 8. And if you're interested in receiving tips on how to win over a Russian girl, leave a comment with the number 9. We will be happy to provide you with the answers. An astonishing fact is that Russia holds the record for the highest number of children born in human history. In the 18th century, a remarkable Russian woman named Valentina Vasilyev gave birth to an astonishing 16 pairs of twins, 7 sets of triplets, and 4 sets of quadruplets, resulting in a total of 69 children over 40 years with her husband, Fyodor Vasilyev. Valentina was a farmer hailing from the Shuya province. Additionally, Russia has a notably higher rate of twins compared to the global average. In certain regions, such as the town of Denisovka, the rate of twin births is even double that of other countries. Although scientists have not definitively identified the reasons behind this phenomenon, Numerous theories propose that factors like genetics, diet, and climate may significantly contribute. Interestingly, there are many families in Russia with multiple generations of twins, where grandparents, parents, and children all have siblings who are twins. If you are considering marriage in this land, the likelihood of having a pair of delightful twins is quite high, a privilege that not every nation can claim. These factors have lured a large community of foreigners to Russia. Over 10 million foreigners reside in Russia, making it one of the countries with the largest immigrant populations globally. Moscow, the magnificent capital, is home to hundreds of thousands of individuals from countries such as China, India, Germany, and the US, among many others. This diversity weaves a rich cultural tapestry. With a promising economy, Russia is becoming an appealing destination for investors and professionals from around the world. One thing is for sure: if you visit Russia, you will never feel lonely. As you wander through the streets of Russia, you will easily notice something unique. The streets are so clean that there is hardly any litter around. The Russians are very conscientious and they never throw rubbish in public places. Water tankers regularly move around to wash the footpaths and roads, making the cities gleam and look picturesque. Additionally, Russia has an essential symbol: vodka. The name of this iconic drink is derived from the word voda, which means water in Russian, highlighting its significance in the lives of the people. Vodka is more than just a drink. It is a part of Russian culture, featuring prominently in celebrations, weddings, and get-togethers with friends. On average, each Russian consumes 6.3 glasses of vodka per week, which is nearly double the average of Americans at 3.3 glasses. When you come to Russia, don't just stroll through the streets. Dive into the underground world beneath. Hidden deep below Moscow lies a transportation marvel that everyone must experience: the greatest subway system. Every day, about 9 million passengers use the subway here, a figure that even exceeds the total number of passengers in London and New York combined. What makes this system remarkable is not only its scale, but also its impressive depth. The Park Pobedi station is located 85 meters underground, which is equivalent to the height of a 28-story building. This is the fourth deepest station in the world, and its length is 1.7 times that of an Olympic swimming pool. If you wish to immerse yourself in the hustle and bustle, make your way to Vikino Station, the busiest station in Moscow, serving hundreds of thousands of passengers each day. It serves not just as a transport hub, but the Russian metro system is also a stunning work of architecture. Many of the stations in Moscow resemble underground palaces, adorned with grand chandeliers, intricate stone mosaics, and exquisite sculptures. Significantly, this system is also designed to function as a bomb shelter, demonstrating the exceptional resilience of the Russians in the face of historical challenges. If you are eager to explore and experience this remarkable transport marvel when you visit Russia, drop a comment with the number 5. However, Russia is not solely renowned for its massive subway network. Imagine this: if you were to lay out all the pipelines for gas, oil, LPG, and refined products in Russia, they would stretch a staggering 259 miles and endure at 13 kilometers, which is over 6 times the circumference of the Earth. Such an enormous network has the capacity to supply multiple countries, reinforcing Russia's position on the global energy map. And for those who enjoy long journeys, Russia boasts the longest continuous railway line in the world, the Trans-Siberian Railway. Spanning a total of 9,289 kilometers, this railway connects Europe and Asia, traversing 8 time zones and a multitude of climate zones. A train journey across Russia can last up to 7 continuous days, offering an unrivaled travel experience found nowhere else in the world. When you visit Russia, you simply cannot miss the capital city, Moscow, the heart of the nation where history and modernity blend seamlessly. The impressive Kremlin, a symbol of Russia's might, is located right next to Red Square, one of the most iconic squares globally. Close by, St. Basil's Cathedral, with its vibrant domes that appear to have sprung from a fairy tale, captivates every visitor. Moscow not only boasts grand architecture, but also features a metro system known as the Palace Underground, with stations embellished with mosaics, chandeliers, and opulent marble columns. The city is also a cultural hub, housing world class theatres like the Bolshoi, which has produced some of the most celebrated ballet dancers worldwide. If you venture a bit away from the city center, you will enter a different realm, with endless birch forests stretching as far as the eye can see. The birch tree, a quintessential symbol of Russia, embodies the spirit of the nation. Birch trees have appeared in countless poems, songs, and fairy tales, much like the oak tree in America or the olive tree in the Mediterranean. You will be intrigued to discover that Russia has been home to many globally renowned writers, poets, and artists such as Fyodor Dostoevsky, Leo Tolstoy, Pyotr Tchaikovsky, and Alexander Pushkin. Their works have left a significant impact on global culture and art, with the birch tree naturally finding its place in the hearts of people around the world. Notably, birch forests make up more than 60% of Russia's forest area, and wherever you find yourself in Russia, you will be surrounded by birch trees, making it one of the largest forested nations in the world, second only to the Amazon rainforest. In autumn, the shimmering golden leaves cover the ground, creating a strikingly beautiful scene that compels anyone to stop and admire. However, Russia is not just about Moscow. St. Petersburg, often referred to as the Venice of the North, boasts royal beauty with the Winter Palace and the Hermitage Museum, which is home to over 3 million works of art. The city of Petergov is likened to the Versailles of Russia, featuring an impressive system of fountains, including the Grand Bolshoi waterfall, adorned with 225 bronze sculptures. Interestingly, cats are employed in the Hermitage Museum to protect the artworks from mice. Each cat even possesses a passport and receives a regular salary. For those who cherish nature and adventure, Russia presents countless unique experiences like no other. Lake Baikal, the deepest freshwater lake in the world, freezes so transparently in winter that one can see through the thick ice. The majestic Altai Mountains, the Kamchatka Peninsula with its active volcanoes, and the cities hidden in the snowy expanses of Siberia will leave any traveler in awe. Russia is a vast country brimming with wonders waiting to be explored. Moreover, it hosts a variety of vibrant festivals, with each event showcasing a unique identity and grand scale. The Maslenitsa festival, also known as Pancake Week, is one of the most vibrant events, marking the shift from the chilly winter to spring. The streets come alive with color from parades, folk music, and scores of hot blini pancakes, which signify the sun and are served everywhere. If you enjoy Christmas and festive vibes, Russia will truly amaze you with the longest New Year celebration in Europe. Russians celebrate New Year not just on January 1st, but also observe the Old New Year on January 14th, a unique tradition found only in this country. While traveling in Russia, do not miss out on its distinctive cuisine. Russia is renowned not only for traditional dishes like borscht, a rich beet soup, pelmeni, which are Russian meat dumplings, and blini, those thin pancakes served with sour cream and caviar, but also for a delightful mix of Asian and European flavors. Another fascinating aspect is that Russia is home to 190 ethnic groups, each boasting its own unique recipes, creating a treasure trove of culinary delights. In Moscow, you can relish shashlik, flavorful meat skewers from the Caucasus region, or uka, a superb fish soup from Siberia. Particularly, Russians have a deep love for tea, and they have a tradition of brewing it using a samovar, a large metal teapot, offering an unforgettable experience for visitors. Whether you are a food lover or simply want to immerse yourself in Russian culture through its dishes, this will undoubtedly be a flavorsome journey. Every year, Russia attracts around 75 million visitors for tourism and settlement. Have you ever wondered why? The cost of living in Russia is very budget-friendly, being only about 50% of what it is in the United States. Living in Russia provides a surprisingly economical lifestyle compared to the US or Western Europe. If you're considering a long stay or thinking of relocating, you'll discover that your money goes much further than you might expect. A one-bedroom apartment in the heart of Moscow costs approximately $800 to $1,500 per month. While when in smaller cities like Kazan or Novosibirsk, you can find similar accommodations for as low as $400 to $700. Utilities, which include electricity, water, heating, and internet, typically range from $80 to $150 per month, depending on the season. Internet service is both fast and economical, averaging $10 to $20 monthly. When it comes to food, Russia has options for all budgets. A meal at a local cafe costs around $5 to $10, while dining at a mid-range restaurant may set you back between $15 and $30 per person. If you prefer cooking at home, a week's worth of groceries generally costs around $40 to $70. Transportation is also quite affordable. A metro ride in Moscow is just 60 cents, and monthly public transit passes are available for about $30 to $50. Taxis and ride-hailing services like Yandex.Go are inexpensive compared to the US, with short rides costing between $5 and $10. For health and wellness, a gym membership in Russia typically costs around $2,500 to $5,800 per month, and dental visits are considerably cheaper compared to the US, with a basic appointment priced between $2,500 and $5,000. Overall, a comfortable monthly budget for a single person in Russia ranges from $80,000 to $160,000, making it 50 to 70% more affordable than living in major US cities like New York or San Francisco. Whether you are exploring, working remotely, or even contemplating retirement, Russia presents an enticing blend of affordability and adventure. With these living costs, would you consider settling down here? If yes, select 1. If no, select 0. Please share your response in the comments. At this point, you might be considering a trip to Russia or even retirement there. Don't forget to get your documents ready and submit your visa application for your trip. Traveling to Russia necessitates obtaining a visa prior to your arrival. For US citizens, the process involves several steps. First, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay and has a minimum of 2 blank pages. Next, complete the electronic visa application form, specifying the type of visa you need: tourist, business, or private. Tourist visas are usually valid for up to 30 days, while business visas can be issued for multiple entries over an extended period. Additionally, you will need an official invitation known as a visa support document from a Russian organization or individual. Please submit these documents along with a recent passport-sized photograph and the applicable fees to the Russian consulate or visa processing center. Processing times may differ, so it's wise to apply well ahead of your intended departure date. For those thinking about long-term stays, such as retirement or relocation, Russia provides temporary residence permits. Applicants are required to furnish proof of income, health insurance, and in certain cases demonstrate knowledge of the Russian language and history. The temporary residence permit is usually valid for 3 years and can lead to permanent residency after a specified duration. It is essential to consult with Russian immigration authorities or legal experts to navigate this process successfully. We have explored living in Russia together, and we hope you will accompany us on our next adventures to explore the world. Looking forward to seeing you again.